Hi.
Hi, I'm here with Dan Giammar, the Walter E. Browne Professor of Environmental Engineering and the Director of the Center for the Environment. Do you have time to answer a few questions with us today?
Yeah, sure I do. Come on in.
What is energy, environmental, and chemical engineering?
Well, it's a really unique department that is trying to look at those particular things to solve critical societal problems. Many environmental engineering departments are civil and environmental engineering, and I think we're really unique at WashU that about 20 years ago we merged chemical and environmental engineering, which share so much in terms of the discipline. And because energy is a critical challenge for our century, it was really nice to be able to include that in the name of the department.
How did you get into environmental engineering?
Sure, I got into environmental engineering because I had a great summer position as an undergraduate student. I was majoring in civil engineering because I thought that I wanted to build bridges and dams and roads, and I thought I didn't like chemistry. And then as a summer intern at Battelle Memorial Institute in Columbus, Ohio, I had a great opportunity to do lab research on environmental remediation. And then I took some chemistry classes at Carnegie Mellon. I really liked them, and I realized that environmental engineering is really where I wanted to go.
So chemistry wasn't so scary?
Chemistry wasn't nearly as scary as I thought it was, and it's one of those things that I had a high school chemistry class that just didn't resonate with me.
So Dan, what's a typical day for you?
Oh my gosh, there is no typical day. And that's actually one of the best things about being at Washington University as a professor. It really is that mix of the teaching, the research, service to the university and the profession.
Can you show us the coolest thing happening in your lab right now?
Oh gosh, I couldn't pick one single coolest thing, but I think the one that I'm probably the most excited about because it has taken the longest time is our work with lead pipes. And so we are doing lead corrosion control experiments using actual lead pipes that were in the ground for 100 years. And now they're here in St. Louis, and we are trying to understand how to adjust their water chemistry so that they release the least amount of lead into the water. Right now, you are looking at lead pipes, and these are drinking water pipes that were supplying somebody's drinking water in a public water system in the Northeast United States up until about 2 years ago. And then they dug a trench, they cut those pipes out, they shipped them here. And we have a hypothesis right now that if we can maintain a certain aspect of the water chemistry, we could dramatically lower the lead concentrations in people's tap water in that city. I'm just talking right over them about something that has nothing to do with iron electric coagulation.
Tough question for you. Star Wars or Star Trek?
You know, this is embarrassing, but neither. I have an 11-year-old and a 13-year-old who are into the Marvel movies, so I'll say Star-Lord. If I can, for Guardians of the Galaxy, that's probably what I'll have to go with.
What are you most excited to achieve as director of WashU's Center for the Environment?
Sure, I'm excited about a lot of things about the Center for the Environment. I'm really excited to see teams, larger teams and more complex teams be successful going after large grants in public health and environment, and public health, environment, and nutrition. So really bridging research across the schools. So not just single investigator grants, but 6 to 10 people working together. And so I'm excited about our ability to bring those teams together, help them share ideas, help them be competitive for that external funding.
Can you describe the McKelvey engineering community in 3 words?
The McKelvey engineering community in 3 words: collaborative, innovative, aspirational.